Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to have you here. So on this channel we will learn together solving exam questions, understanding difficult concepts and mastering smart smart problem solving techniques. So whether you're preparing for entrance exam or just want to improve your knowledge, this channel is for you. So please subscribe and turn on the notification button. So let's jump into the today's lesson. እንግዲህ ዛሬ ራውንድ 3 ኤስኤቲ ከእንግሊሽ ፓርቱ ጀምረን አብረን የምንሰራ ይሆናል ማለት ነው እና በፓርቱ ማት ፓርቱን የምንቀጥል ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So let's jump into the first question. So የምንጀምረው ከአናሎጂ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The first question, right is wrong, left is to blank space. A correct, B incorrect, C leave, D right. So እንግዲህ አናሎጂ ጥያቄዎችን ስንሰራ we should focus on the pair given, the words pair given right over here ማለት ነው, which means መጀመሪያ ከተሰጡን የሁለት ቃላቶች ሪሌሽንሺፕ ላይ ዲፔንድ በመሆን የቀጣዩን ዲሳይድ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። so right, wrong. so obviously ምን መረዳት እንችላለን? they are opposite to each other. right እና wrong ማለት ነው ቤዚክ እንግሊሽ ላይ ያለ ነገር ስለሆነ ማለት ነው። so for left surely we say right ማለት ነው, which means አሁን እዚህ ጋር ያለው left ቀኝ የቀኝ ኦፖዚት ምንድነው? የግራ ኦፖዚት ቀኝ ነው ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ የትክክል ኦፖዚት wrong ስህተት ነው ማለት ነው። so the correct answer will be D ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so let's jump to question number 2. Gum is to stick and needle is to blank space. A close, B stitch, C tailor, D stab. so እንደሚታወቀው ገም አይ ቲንክ በአማርኛ ማጣበቂያ ማስቲሽ የምንለው ነገር ለምንድነው የሚጠቅመን? it helps us to stick something together እና ኒድል ደግሞ ለመስፋት ነው። obviously stitch will be the correct answer ማለት ነው። based on ለዛ ነው analogy ጥያቄዎች ስንሰራ we should focus on the words given on the first pair ላይ ማለት ነው. so the correct answer will be stitch. Question number 3. Compass is to direction and altimeter is to blank space. A pressure, B speed, C turbulence, D altitude. so ይሄኛው I think ቀላል ይመስለኛል። ኮምፓስ ለምንድነው የሚያገለግለን? ዳይሬክሽንን ይጠቁመናል ማለት ነው። at the same time altimeter is used to measure altitude ማለት ነው። ይሄ pressure, speed, turbulence የሚለው are related ማለት so the correct answer will be pressure and altitude ይሆናል ማለት ነው, which is D. so question number 4. Wing is to lift, motor is to blank space. A thrust, B ride, C balance, D calf. so እንደምናውቀው wing lift ለማድረግ or ደግሞ it generates የሆነ upward force birds ላይ ካያችሁ ጀነሬት የሚያደርግላቸው ነገር ነው ማለት ነው። ሞተር ላይ ደግሞ በሊፍት ፋንታ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? ትረስት ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so the correct answer will be A. Question number 5. Erosion is to soil, corrosion is to blank space. A plastic, B metal, C wood, D glass. so መሬት ይንሸረሸራል ካልን ኮሮድ ደግሞ የሚያደርገው ሜታል ነው ማለት ነው። ሜታል or ደግሞ ብረቶች ይዝጋሉ እንደዛ እንደማለት ነው። so the correct answer will be B. so dear students, analogy part ጨርሰናል። አሁን ወደ substitution part ገብተናል ማለት ነው እና እዚህ ጋር የተሰመረባቸው ቃላቶች አሉ። ለነሱ based on their contextual meaning ምርጫ ውስጥ ከተሰጡን ምርጫዎች አንዱን የሚመሳሰለውን or ደግሞ perfectly fit ማድረግ የሚችለውን እንመርጣለን ማለት ነው። so question number 6, it says working undercover the journalist discovered the illegal payments. A. Openly, B. secretly, C. visibly, D. honestly. So dishonestly, I'm sorry. So working undercover ይላል ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር። so ይሄ ሚስጥር እንደማለት ነው undercover, which means secretly የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው. so B is the correct answer for this question. Question number 7. The association pledged a 10 million birr support for our plan. A. Promised, B. Provided, C. Located, D. Denied. So pledged ማለት I think ቃል መግባት የምንለው or ቃል ኪዳን መግባት የምንለው ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው. so the correct answer will be promised የሚለው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው. so A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 8. The abduction of the president by a foreign nation was condemned by many countries on the ground that it was against the principle of the international law. A. Privileged, D. denounced, C. commended, D. applauded. So እዚህ ጋር commended ይላል ማለት ነው. This commended means, by the way, is kind of strongly criticize something እንደማለት ነው ማለት ነው. ስለዚህ the correct answer for this question will be denounced, which is on B ላይ ቢገኘው ማለት ነው. so for question number 8, B is the correct answer. Question number 9. The manager settled the problem by taking a sagacious decision that could satisfy parties with a polarized state. So እዚህ ጋር for example sagacious የሚለውን ቃል አናውቀውም ነበር. so the best way to do this question is just እየተካን ማየት ነው ማለት ነው. so አሁን እዚህ ጋር ፓርቲው sagacious decision ወሰደ ይላል, which means that could satisfy the parties with a polarized stance ማለት ነው. አሁን if something is if the decision was if the decision were unexpected, it couldn't satisfy the parties, at the same time for ridiculous, at the same time for the careless. so wise decision that could satisfy the parties with a polarized stance. so D will be the correct answer for this question. So question number 10. While Mr. X is a sociable girl, her younger sister is bitter. so dear students, እዚህ ጋር sentence substitution ፓርቱን ጨርሰናል. አሁን ወደ antonyms ገብተናል ማለት ነው. so question number 10 is antonym ነው ማለት ነው. so Mr. X is sociable, her younger sister is bitter. so አሁን እዚህ ጋር bitter is someone who is kind of introvert ልትሉ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው. አሁን የintrovert or sociable ያልሆነ ሰው opposite is friendly. okay, so A will be the correct answer for this question. እና እንደነገርኳችሁ antonym part ነው ማለት ነው እየሰራን ያለነው. so question number 11. The man looks ashen, he must be 50. so dear students, I strongly recommend you to pause the video and give it a shot for this question, because like ብዙ ተማሪዎች እዚህ ጋር ሲበሉ አይቻለሁ ማለት ነው. so መልሱ ከማየታችሁ በፊት ኮሜንት ላይ መልሱን አስቀምጡልኝ ማለት ነው. so let's do it together. so the man looks ancient, he must be 50. A. modern, B. old, C. intelligent, D. young. so እዚህ ጋር we have strong clue which says he must be above 50. so it's old somehow na. yes, to opposite young ማለት ነው. young will be the correct answer for question number 11. For question number 12, having taken too much alcohol, the man becomes so intoxicated that he couldn't stand alone. A. exhausted, B. drank, C. sober, D. shocked. so እዚህ ጋር intoxicated ከሆነና if he couldn't stand alone, he in other way he is kind of drunk ማለት ነው he's drunk so የድራንክ opposite ምን ይሆናል sober ይሆናል ማለት ነው so C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 13. The woman became indignant at unfair way she had been treated. A. Angry, B. Excited, C. Disappointed, and D. Regretted. So the woman becomes indignant, the question say. So if she's unfairly treated, she's angry, or she's maybe disappointed, or she's maybe regretted, and she couldn't excited. So opposite meaning ስለምንፈልግ for this question B will be the correct answer ማለት ነው. So question number 40 አሁን ደግሞ ወደ sentence conclusion ገብተናል ማለት ነው. The club finally managed to get a or an blank space trophy thanks to determined players' persistent performance. A. Hard-earned, B. Amplified, C. Easy paid, D. Respected. So ይሄኛው ትንሽ ተጠር ይላል እዚህ ጋር ግን we have still clues which means it determined players performance so it determined players and performance so እዚህ ጋር ምን እንረዳለን this thing takes a lot of effort እና ብዙ እንዳስለፋ ማየት እንችላለን ማለት ነው so if something takes too much effort and it goes through many hard work it can be said hard earned ማለት ነው so the correct answer will be A. For question number 50, the jury was nominated last Friday at the federal first instance court to pass its final blank space on the request of the suspect to be released on bail. A. Testimony, B. Opinion, C. Decision, D. Appeal. So, for this question, the correct answer will be a decision. And now, we have collocation. The court should be passed its final decisions. Let me balance. So, the correct answer will be C. For question number 60, it's evident in stories that it took a lot for the Italians to fully recover from the blank space of their defeat at the Battle of Adwa. A. Fortune, B. Luck, C. Triumph, D. Humiliation. So, it's evident in the history that it took a lot of Italians to fully recover from it should be humiliation. So D will be the correct answer. So for question number 70, the following the corridor development in the city, some drivers are being blank space with money for driving their cars on pavements dedicated to pedestrians. A. Misappropriated, B. Reprimanded, C. Fined, D. Jailed. So እዚህ ጋር like pavement means a road that dedicated to pedestrians. So pedestrians means someone who is used to walking on foot ማለት ነው. So the correct answer will be fined. By the way, fined means to be punished with money ማለት ነው. So the correct answer for this question is C. So, question number 80, having the king having been blank space from his throne by military, he fled into neighboring states. A. Assassinated, B. Abdicated, C. Ascended, D. Resigned. So as we can see, he fled into the neighboring state, so he couldn't assassinate it. And still he couldn't resign, I think, because like resign means በፍቃድ የሆነ ስራ መልቀቅ እንደማለት ነው። አሳሲኔትድ ማለት ደግሞ የግድያ እንትን ነው ማለት ነው። ቢገደል ኖሮ ወደ ኔይበሪንግ ካንትሪ አይሰደድም ነበር ማለት ነው። So this is our letter here, so the correct answer will be B for this question. Question number 19. The United Nations Security Council passed an for a blank space decision without any difference on Israel that it gives Gaza for Palestine. So without any difference here. This clue leads us to choose the choice only. So an unanimous means resistance, something that agreed all of the members ወይ ደግሞ ሁሉንም ማስማማት የሚችል ውሳኔ ልትል ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So D will be the correct answer. So እንደምታዩት ወደ logical reasoning ጥያቄዎች ገብተናል ማለት ነው። So currently many workers on the company have become punctual. Assumption 1 or assumption Roman number 1, all the workers must have brought their own automobiles. B or assumption Roman number 2, previously many of workers were late to work. Assumption 3, employers are more serious about the lateness to work. Assumption Roman number 4, the productivity of the company has become questionable. So which of the following assumption is logically related to above statement? So አሁን እዚህ ጋር ስቴትመንቱ ላይ የተሰጠን መረጃ ምንድን ነው? like something related to their punctuality ማለት ነው። በእርግጠኝነት we can eliminate the assumption 1 completely unrelated ነው ማለት ነው። So just I recommend you to eliminate the choices that contain the assumption 1. So በሱ መሰረት C እና Dን እናጠፋለን ማለት ነው። You see how much it's so helpful. ወደ ሁለት ምርጫ ብቻ ገባ ማለት ነው። So አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኮመን የሆነው assumption 3 ለሁለቱም ኮመን ነው ማለት ነው። assumption 2 እና 4ን የትኛው ትክክል እንደሆነ መርጠን አንዱን መምረጥ ብቻ ነው ማለት ነው። So let's just see the assumption Roman number 4. The productivity has become questionable. You see this is just unrelated man for given sense statement ጋር ስለ ካምፓኒ ፕሮዳክቲቪቲ ምንም ስቴትመንቱ አያወራንም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ በቀላሉ ይሄን ልናወጣው እንችላለን። So ብቻው የሚቀረን ማን ነው? assumption B ነው ማለት ነው። So assumption B ላይ Roman number 3 says employers are now more serious about lateness to work. It can be statement ላይ ስለ punctuality ጋር አያይዞ ስላስቀመጠልን ማለት ነው። So the correct answer is gonna be B ማለት ነው። So question number 21, statement says many universities are replacing printed resource with online resource. Therefore, students can have a better access for resource to learn effectively. So, based on the above statement, which of the following is valid? A. Universities are giving priority to save money. B. Students dislike printed resource. C. Printed resources are better than digital learning resource. D. Online resource enhance the student learning. So እዚህ ጋር valid የሆነው statement for A ላይ ያለው choice eliminate ሊደረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። which is statement ላይ ምንም ያልተሰጠን clue ነው ማለት ነው or statement ነው ማለት ነው። B ላይ students dislike printed resource ይሄኛው እንዲህ የሚል ጭራሽ ስቴትመንታችን ውስጥ የለም ማለት ነው። So for C, printed resources are better than digital resource ይሄኛው state አልተደረገም ማለት ነው። እንደውም it says the printed resources are being replaced by online resource ማለት ነው። So online resource better access እንዲኖረው ያደርጋል ተማሪውን to learn effectively. So D is the one which is ትክክል የሆነው ማለት ነው። So question number 21, D is the correct answer. Question number 2, which of the following words has three letters in sequence as any of its parts when read inverted? So እዚህ ጋር ልታዩት እንደምትችሉ ካት ላይ CAC ካረግን ወይ ኢንቨርት አድርገን ካነበብነው three letters ቀጥታ አናገኝበትም ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ ማውዝ ላይ ይሄኛውንም ኢንቨርት ካረግነው impossible referralም እንደዛው ማለት ነው። So federal is the correct answer, which is አሁን ለምሳሌ so federal ላይ ሚሊዮን ካየን L A R E D E F. So surely እዚህ ጋር ማየት እንደምንችለው DEF in sequence መጥቷል ማለት ነው። so እንዲህ አድርጋችሁ የማውዝንም የሪፈራልንም የካትንም ካያችሁ is impossible ማለት ነው። so እዚህ ጋር ደግሞ እንደምታዩት DEFን ኢንቨርት አድርገን ስንጽፈው three letters in sequence ስላገኘን federal will be the correct answer. So question number 23, some statement says sheep, animals and furry animals exist. All sheep are furry animals and all animals are not sheep. So conclusion 1, some animals are furry animals. Conclusion 2, all furry animals are sheep. Conclusion 3, no animals are furry animals. Conclusion 4, no furry animals are animals. So based on our given statement, we have given that all sheep can be furry animals. Furry animals. And now yes, the second demo, all animals are not sheep animals. So conclusion 1 like some animals are furry animals it says. So ይሄኛው valid የሆነው statement ነው ማለት ነው. because some animals are furry animals. ለምን all sheep are furry animals ሆኑ. So there are some animals who are which can be furry animals ማለት ነው. all furry animals are sheep. ይሄኛው ስቴት አልተደረገም። instead all sheep are furry animals የሚለው ቢሆን ኖሮ ልክ ቢሆን ነበር ማለት ነው. as conclusion 3, no animals are furry animals. This is false because some sheep are furry animals and they can be animal. So conclusion for no furry animals are animals. This also not correct. So the correct conclusion will be conclusion 1. So question number 24, yesterday heavy truck overturned on highway. And statement 2, the police cordoned off the whole locality for half a day. Which of the following is true about the relationships between two statements? A, statement 1, statement Roman number 2 is cause of the statement number 1. Or statement number 2 is the cause, or statement Roman number 1 is the effect. B, statement 1 Roman number 1 is cause, statement Roman number 2 is its effect. C, there's no relationship between two statements. D, both statements are caused by independent reasons. So as you can see, yesterday the heavy truck overturned on a highway. As a result, the police cordoned off the whole locality for half a day. So statement 1 is surely cause of statement Roman number 2. So the correct answer will be B. So If the word introduces, rewrite and maintain the natural order of the letters in it, which letters appear seventh from the left in the መጀመሪያ introduce የሚለውን በኢስ ናቹራል ፎርም እንጽፋለን ማለት ነው። ሶ ሲ ዲ ኢ ኤን ኦ አር ቲ ዩ. So from the left in from this side ማለት ነው 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. so 7 መሃል ላይ ሆነ ቲ ላይ ማለት ነው እንደምታዩት the correct answer is gonna be B ማለት ነው ቲ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። so question number 26. Mr. Y is Mr. X's mother and Mr. P is Mr. Y's only brother. Mr. Z is Mr. P's son. Thus, how Mr. Z is related to Mr. X? So, we have Mr. Y. Like, let me just write it right over here. Mr. Y is Mr. X's mother. So, here we have Mr. X here. So, Mr. P is Mr. Y's only brother, so his brother should be written in this form. And Mr. Z is the P's son, so here we have Z. So surely Mr. Z and Mr. X will be cousin, or Mr. Z is cousin of Mr. X ማለት ነው። so dear students ለዛሬ ያዝነው የአናሎጂ ከአናሎጂ ጀምረን ሎጂካል ሪዝኒንግ ላይ ጨርሰናል ማለት ነው። ይሄን ይመስላል። so next ደግሞ በማስ ፓርት በሰፊው የምንገናኝ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። please subscribe and just notification በተኑን ኦን ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። ጠቃሚ ነገሮችን ይዘን እንመጣለን ማለት ነው። so goodbye.